If you've been searching for new ways to grow your money online, you may have come across BitNest.me, a platform that promises a so-called circulation yield protocol, where users can supposedly earn continuous returns on USDT, along with referral bonuses through a unilevel team structure. But the big question is whether this is really a safe opportunity or just another recycling of failed platforms. At first glance, BitNest tries to present itself as a modern and innovative way to generate passive income. Yet when you start peeling back the layers, things don't look as straightforward. One of the first red flags is that the owners behind BitNest remain completely anonymous, which makes accountability nearly impossible if anything goes wrong. On top of that, the platform is operating across multiple domains, a common tactic used by schemes that want to avoid being shut down and quickly reboot under a new name. Digging deeper, traffic patterns show a heavy dependence on recruitment rather than real financial products or services, which raises questions about sustainability. Even more concerning is that the site's code shows ties to Chinese developers and infrastructure, a detail that often appears in previous projects that collapsed after attracting investments worldwide. Many researchers have also pointed out that BitNest looks very similar to Unisloop, a Ponzi-style program that already failed and left participants stranded. The setup, rewards, and marketing language all mirror that same failed formula, only under a fresh label. While some users may see short-term gains if they enter early, the overall structure suggests that profits rely more on constant recruitment than on any genuine yield strategy. So when weighing the risks, it's clear that BitNest sits in a gray area, not fully convincing as a legitimate financial platform, yet not immediately exposed as an outright scam either, which leaves potential investors facing significant uncertainty.